Hey Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Belitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, jumping right into this video. Today we're doing a Hot Wheels basket for Easter. So that first little toy that I put down, I got that from Walgreens. Once again, it was $3.49, and then all I did is went to Dollar Tree to find some things to add to it, and these are the things that I found. Not many Hot Wheels toys, but we're gonna make it work. So I found a couple little things that will go with it, the car theme, and those little monster truck things were so cute, so I was like, let me put that ATV little gift with it. That came from Dollar Tree. Everything that you see basically came from Dollar Tree except for the big Hot Wheels thing that I started with in the beginning, and I'm basically just throwing it together as I always do, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys, go to your local Walgreens and look for some Hot Wheels. I mean, at this point we're kind of at the end of the, but I mean, if you're still looking for Hot Wheels items, just put some trucks and things together and put some snacks in it and make you a basket. That's basically what I did here. I used what I had and then I just added to the Hot Wheels little toy and figured out what I could add with it to make it a complete basket. So of course I'm covering up the back of the basket like I always do, but this was just another boy's idea that you can do. And then the white egg that you see there is an egg that you can color or paint, so it's a matte egg. You know, they come usually in a pack, but I threw it in here individually. So this is what the Hot Wheels baskets look like. I put about 3 eggs in all of my baskets, and you guys, yes, I did run out of the golden eggs, so these got a white egg that they can color however they please. So this is the Hot Wheels basket. If you guys liked it, leave it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and anything I didn't answer, just ask in the comments and I'll be sure to get right back to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, stay crafty.